Very good morning, children. I hope you all completed the assignment that was done for passive voice yesterday. Today we will continue with present indefinite tense in passive voice, which is simple present tense, and we'll write the sentences from active voice in passive voice in simple present tense form. Here let's look at its structure and a few examples. Like we had the basic structure for passive voice writing, here also it is the same. From active voice, the passive voice is changed into object, verb and subject combination. Some examples are here. My mother loves me. This is a simple present tense sentence. My mother is the subject. The action performed by her is loves and object is me. So when we convert this in the simple present tense form of passive voice, we bring me, the object, into subject's place and it takes the form I. I am loved. Am is the be verb. Loved is the V3 form of verb. I am loved by my mother. So my mother subject comes to the last part of this sentence. I like apples. So here apples is plural. Our object in the subject, our object in the sentence is in the plural form. So instead of using is in the sentence, we are going to use the be verb are, and the sentence becomes apples are liked by me. So the structure for this passive voice sentence in simple present tense is object plus be verb plus V3 form of base verb plus by plus subject. So it is object, verb and subject combination. So this is just a quick recap on how to write the sentences in simple present tense form of passive voice. In case if you have to convert the sentence from passive voice into active voice, you just reverse the formula. So take the same example, apples are liked by me. Here we know that the sentence is in passive voice. We have to replace the subject and object again. So here the subject is me and the object is apples. So we bring me back to the subject position in the front of the sentence. It becomes I, and are liked is simple present tense. So that we again change into like, and apples comes back to the object's position as apples. So you should know how to reverse the structure in a passive voice sentence into active voice sentence. That's all, children. If you have any doubt in this, you can contact me. I'm pretty sure that you won't have any doubts in this because this topic was done by you all last year as well. I just wanted to recapitulate it for you today. I've added a few sentences below this video. Try to complete them. Please reach me out if you want any clarification. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.